air layering your fig tree. This is a very simple method that you can use to clone a tree that you have in your collection that you can either have a duplicate of or gift to your friends. Please like, share, subscribe, and hit the bell icon to be notified of future videos. What you do is you get yourself some potting mix here, and what you want to do is you want to wet it slightly, just slightly, not too much. Then what you do is you get yourself a bag like this. Get yourself a bag like this and you fill it up with the wet potting mix. All right. Press it in nice and tight. Put in some more. Right, and then that's why I love these bags, and I have them listed down in my description because you can zip them up right from the top. Okay. All right, so now your bag is ready. Okay. What you're gonna do is you're gonna pick a branch that you want to air layer, okay? And we're gonna operate on that branch. So, I don't know, maybe I'm gonna pick this branch right here. Alright, so what you want to do is once you've picked your branch, you want to pick a spot on the bark. And what you're going to do is you're going to cut about 3/4 of the way here and here. 3/4 of the way. And what you want to do is you want to peel that bark. Okay, so we have most of it peeled. We have just a little section left. I actually didn't mean to cut this, but it should be fine regardless, okay? Now, what a lot of people do, and this would help, is if you get a little bit of rooting hormone, either liquid or powder, and you put it here. I'm not going to do that today, but that's definitely something that you could use, okay? And what you do is, I like to use this electric tape here. Sometimes I use elastic. You take this pre-moistened soil bag that you did, and you look here and you make a cut around the same size as your situation where you made the cut. And then you take the bag and you make sure to get your cut area buried in between that soil. Okay? And now what I'm going to do is I'm going to take this tape here and I'm going to tape my way around, making sure All right. So now we have the soil right around. Okay. And it would be good to have some foil around it and keep it out of the sun, because the sun is not going to be your friend here on an air layer. So here's one that I did before. Okay, and you could kind of see the roots there. All those roots are newly formed. So that's ready now to be cut and become a brand new fig tree. So what we do is we get a container like this and we fill it up with some soil. Got some potting mix, so I'm gonna put some potting mix in here. All right, and then I'm going to bring this in here. Sorry. Okay. All right, want to get me cutting this? Okay, so if you look here, you will see you have to be very careful. You don't want to cut your newly developed roots. This is my knife. Might make life easier. Okay, and you can see a little too much water there caused all that green. So now what we're going to do is we're going to gently put this in the pot and try to get rid of the plastic at the same time. Okay. Okay, so there's our plastic. There's our newly rooted. Take a look at that root mass. That's all brand new formed root mass that happened in a matter of 3 weeks. Okay. I'm gonna just fill that up. I have to put it on an angle because it was slightly longer than the pot, but in a few months we'll up pot this into a deeper pot and I could straighten it out then. It's no big deal. And there you have your brand new fig tree. You're going to want to water that right away.
Thanks for watching. Please like, subscribe, share, and leave me any comments if you have any questions.